Becoming rich is a passion that each of us should pursue because that's why we do all the things we do, including me. When you find me successful, it means I have money. If you find me successful, I have money. If you see me having money, I am successful, including all the people you see here. But in most cases, we do it in the wrong way. Um, if you want to be rich, you really have to be constant in what you do. That includes the things you do, the things you eat, the friends you have. Like everything matters in this scenario. This video is short and trust me, you're going to benefit. So when searched correctly, you can benefit. When searched wrongly, you can benefit. When searched in a direct matter, you can benefit. Nothing is wrong in this world. So never be afraid of failure. Pursue everything. This video is going to be short, but very knowledgeable. So number one, are you seeing this? This is an amount sent to me from PayPal. It's $10. It is small, but I'm going to show you the trick. I'm going to show you how this figure is very important. How this can turn into thousands, hundreds, or even more. Uh, Check this out. Are you seeing this? Another one. Are you seeing this? This is another one. Dear tester, you see this? Very happy. Very happy. This is money, my friends. Now, and all this is possible. Are you seeing these things all everywhere? Like there are hundreds of them. There are hundreds of them. Like, just see this. $50. Now, I want to show you something. This is a website called Userlytics. If you just come to this video and reach and you go away, my friend, you are going to fail. You failed already. If you've left this video, you failed. Yeah, you failed. So follow this video carefully. So before we start, before I even tell you anything, allow me to do my advertisement. It's short. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. Give me a subscribe if you're new to this channel. It will help people like you to receive this very video so that we can support ourselves, our brothers that also don't have what to do and want to earn money. So this is the first thing you have to do. Let's go direct to the video. First thing, subscribe. Second thing, listen to me and watch carefully. This won't take your time a lot. It's a matter of just having your email and a PayPal account. Doesn't matter where you are, Dubai, Kenya, USA, even better, German, France, UK, Italy, anywhere. This method is very good. So all you have to do is come to this website here. The link is here. I might even put it in a description. So, but it's really simple. This is straightforward. Userlytics, type that on Google. You reach this website. Press sign up for tester. Now this is where we are going to make money from. See, you get paid to test a website. You just test, give a review. 1 second, 2 minutes, you get paid $10. You see this 5 1. This five is hard to get. This five is very hard to get. And these people can even pay you up to $90. And I'm going to show you how that is possible. You need a PayPal account. Of course, if you don't have a PayPal account, go to my videos and scroll how to make a PayPal account, business account. You can use it a smartphone here, you can use a desktop. So it doesn't really matter, anything will work. And a PayPal account. So all you have to do is put in your email here. Put your email, accept this that you're 18 and above, agree with the terms and conditions, press sign up. When you press sign up, you will start receiving emails like this one. There's a $50 reward for this test, and you'll spend like 5 minutes on and you get that money. Check this out. In other languages, $10. Yeah, I don't really care about the languages. Me, I just go and do the test and receive $50. They are everywhere, my friends. Yeah, this one is a conference call. Like, you can earn almost $110 for this conference call. I got that money, my friends. Don't stop wasting time. Let's go and sign up. Let's go and work money. You see? And the payments proof are here. $10 I receive. Transaction details are here. Another website is here. I got $10.2. My friends, I don't know what I can tell you, but that's all I can tell you for today. I don't want to bug you, take your time. Just go and work. Go and subscribe to this channel. Let's make money together. After you subscribe, go and send your email to these people. Sign up. All you do is press this button. You will start receiving these emails here. Yes. All these are hundreds of them. Now, here comes the trick. If you want more money, if you want to be a billionaire, if you want to be very rich, you can use this method. After you create an email called sam18.com, create another email, come back and register with that new email, create like 10, my friend, you'll work the whole thing. If you work 10 jobs, that's $100. If you work 20 jobs, that is a lot of money, my friends. That is a lot of money. And that is it for today. Let's make money. Trust me, my friends. I love you so much. I trust you're going to do what I do. This is how I live my life. Simple, but yeah, it works for me. It will work for you also. Thank you. Bye.